Have you ever watched someone lie, cheat, or step on others and then get rewarded for it? It's frustrating. It feels broken. We're taught from childhood that cheaters never prosper, yet in the real world, it often looks like the nice guys aren't just finishing last, they aren't even finishing the race. But why? Is the system rigged, or is there a psychological hack that bad people are using to get ahead? Today on Simple Psych, we are breaking down the science of ruthlessness. And stick around, because I'm going to show you the one specific trait that makes toxic people successful and how you can use the positive version of it to win without losing your soul. Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Psych, where we break down the complex behaviors of the human mind. Today we are answering the age-old question, why do bad people win? Psychologists actually have a name for the personality mix that helps bad people get ahead. It's called the dark triad. First, you have narcissism. This gives people an inflated sense of self-importance. While this sounds annoying, in a job interview or a negotiation, it looks like extreme confidence. Second is Machiavellianism. This is the ability to manipulate others and view people as tools to be used. Third is psychopathy, which in this context means a lack of empathy or remorse. Here is why this works. While the empathetic person is worrying, did I hurt their feelings, or is this fair? The dark triad person has already taken the opportunity. They don't carry the heavy baggage of guilt. They travel light, so they move fast. But it's not just about being mean, it's about being loud. There's a psychological bias where human beings mistake confidence for competence. If someone walks into a room, speaks loudly, interrupts others, and claims they have the answer, our primitive brains assume, wow, they must be the leader. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that overconfident people attained higher social status in groups even when they were completely wrong. The bad person isn't winning because they're smarter, they're winning because they're shameless. They sell themselves, while the humble person waits to be noticed. So, does this mean you have to become a narcissist to win? No, but you do need to stop being a passive giver. Psychologists have identified a strategy called Tit-for-Tat from game theory. This is the mathematical proof for how good people win against bad people. Here are the 3 specific tools you need to use starting today. Tool number 1 is game theory reciprocity. Many nice people operate on unconditional cooperation. They keep being nice even when someone is treating them poorly. This makes you a target. The winning strategy is start with cooperation. Be nice first, but if someone crosses you or takes credit for your work, you must immediately mirror their behavior. You stop helping. You set a hard boundary. You make it expensive for them to mess with you. But, and here's the key, as soon as they cooperate again, you go back to being nice. This trains people to respect you without you becoming a bully. Tool number 2 helps you fight the confidence gap. It's called the fact brag. Narcissists win because they say, I am the best. Nice people lose because they say, I hope I did okay. You need to remove qualifiers from your vocabulary. Stop saying, I think, maybe, or just. Instead, state your competence as a boring fact. Don't say, I think I'm good at leading. Say, my leadership resulted in a 20% efficiency boost. When you stick to data, you aren't being arrogant, you're being accurate. It signals competence to the human brain without the toxicity of arrogance. Finally, tool number 3, the power pause. Machiavellian types try to dominate conversations by speaking fast and interrupting. Nice people usually rush to fill the silence because it feels awkward. Next time you're in a negotiation or a conflict, when they stop speaking, count to 3 in your head before you answer. Silence signals high status. It shows you aren't rattled. It forces them to wonder what you're thinking. You take control of the pacing, which puts you in the psychological driver's seat. You don't have to sell your soul to win. You just need to stop giving it away for free. Use the tit-for-tat strategy, remove your qualifiers, and get comfortable with silence. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching Simple Psych. See you in the next one.